The Nifty Realty Index has entered a bear market. In fact, the index has fallen over 4% in trade today, and the index is now down 26% from its June peak. That actually means that the index has slipped into a bear market. Any index that corrects 20% from the peak enters a bear market. So for today's session, all the constituents of the Realty Index are trading with losses, and this sell-off is part of the larger risk aversion that the Indian stock markets are facing as of now. India's real estate pack, remember, had been riding on a boom in the demand for luxury homes that had grown much faster than the sale of relatively affordable alternatives. In fact, this tide turned in June, right after the elections, as it became increasingly obvious that the year wasn't going to be as good for developers as they had hoped for. In fact, the election-related hurdles also led to a delay in a lot of approvals and the launch of new projects as well. There's also this concern of whether the economy will continue to sustain the growth that it had been earlier enjoying. So all of these factors put together have led to losses.